Hi friends, welcome you all. Today in this video, we are going to study the AMFI registration number, that is ARN number. ARN number is the unique number which is provided by the AMFI, and it gets after the registration with AMFI. AMFI means the Association of Mutual Fund in India. ARN number is required for mutual fund distributor, brokers, and who are going to sell the mutual fund agents, and who is advising to invest in mutual fund, who advises investors for investing in the mutual funds. They all requires the ARN number, which is unique and provided by the AMFI. First, let us discuss what is the AMFI registration number. The AMFI registration number or ARN is a unique number that is allotted to every broker, distributor, mutual fund agent, etc., who are registered under AMFI. However, only those who clear the certification under National Institute of Securities Market, that is NISM, are allotted with an ARN. Means the ARN will not get if you just register with the AMFI. You have to clear this some certificate exams or some minimum qualification you have to complete, which is set by the National Institute of Securities Market, and then only if you get the qualification certification, then only AMFI allot you the ARN number. NISM is a public trust under SEBI, which offers various training, academic and skill building program regarding the securities market. So NISM, as we have visited last year NISM in our study tour. So National Institute of Securities Market is a public trust which is work under the SEBI, and it offers various training, academic, skill building programs regarding the securities market. Senior citizens, on the other hand, have to clear the continuing professional education or CPE to obtain AMFI registration number. Without this number, no individual or firm can sell or even recommend mutual fund to investor. Here is the important thing, that no one can sell or even recommend mutual fund without this ARN number. And when you will get ARN number, only when you will clear the some certificates set by the NISM, and the minimum qualification required for the AMFI registration. So here everyone which is coming into the mutual fund want to work in the mutual fund as distributor, broker, or agent. He or she has to do this type of thing, that is the he or she has to get the certification or minimum qualification from NISM, and then only can work in the mutual fund sector. Why should investor know about the ARN? Learning about the ARN is an important process for those looking to invest in mutual fund. Since agents, broker and other intermediaries play a key role in bringing more investor to foray into the mutual fund market, it is crucial for investor to learn about their credibility. Different type of agent, brokers, they bring new investors in the mutual fund market, and they have to know about their credibility, and the credibility is assigned with the ARN number, and ARN number allotted only by the AMFI, and after the certification, get the minimum certification, and after clearing some certificate exams which are conducted by NISM. ARN is the simplest way to learn about this financial market. AMFI India authorizes only those who are qualified to sell the funds to prospective buyers. AMFI do not allow without the qualification, because the ARN is required and ARN get after the qualification. Fund houses or intermediaries who manage to acquire the ARN are well informed about various types of mutual funds, various market trends, and every other point of professional knowledge required to invest fruitfully in the market. Here, the main objective of AMFI is the final interest of the investor. Only then and then the investor will get a fruitful return from the mutual fund, or the investor will get aware only after uh, they are well informed from the who is uh, selling mutual fund to them, such as broker, agent, etc. And they must have the knowledge, professional knowledge, which is required to acquire ARN number. So here is the role of ARN number. Thus, before investing in mutual fund, investors are always advised to check the ARN of fund houses to ensure that they are credible. Before investing in mutual fund, every investor should check the ARN number, and without ARN number you should not buy such mutual fund, or should not associate with such broker or agent without ARN number. Intermediaries play a significant role in the sale of mutual fund to ensure that individual agents, brokers, and other intermediaries are carrying out trading with ethics and transparency. The AMFI ARN registration is mandatory in India. It is compulsory in India. Intermediaries play a significant role in the sale of mutual fund, and they have to ensure that the individual agent, broker, and other intermediaries which have this ARN number, and they carrying out the trading with ethics and transparency. What is the necessary requirement to get the AMFI registration number? The minimum age for obtain ARN is 18 years. After getting ARN license, the intermediary should get in touch with asset management company for implement and choose a mutual fund scheme. The After the qualification of examinations set by the NISM, uh, that person should invest with the AMFI, and then only AMFI will allot the ARN number. The number indicate that you have the right to engage in mutual fund trading. The senior citizens should clear the continuing professional education CP test to get ARN. AMFI issues the number only upon clearance of National Institute of Securities Market NISM certificate that is valid for 3 years only. After 3 years you have to renew it, ARN number. If any fund manager, broker, agent, or company want to deal with mutual fund management, they should get a permit from Association of Mutual Funds in India that will provide them with a unique AMFI registration number or ARN. The AMFI ARN gives the investors the right to check the credibility of a fund house and whether the entity is qualified to sell mutual funds or not. So it is a legal offense if someone is selling or recommending mutual fund units to investors without the ARN license. So here important thing is it is a legal offense. It is a legal offense by law if someone is selling or recommending mutual fund units to investors without the ARN license. Even you cannot recommend a mutual fund units to investors without, if you don't have the ARN license. So this is the thing which is important for ARN. And any fund manager, broker, agent, or any company wants to deal with mutual fund management, they should get a permit or approval permission from the AMFI in India that will provide them with a unique AMFI registration number or ARN. ARN allotment means the permission from the AMFI to deal with a mutual fund. What are the steps for online renewal of ARN? Broker agents and companies can renew ARN in two ways. Sorry, here the spelling mistake is there. ARM I have written here. Step number 1, link your Aadhaar card with register mobile number. All the data the AMFI will get from Aadhaar card. In case step number 2, in case you do not have Aadhaar card, apply for it at your nearest center. All citizens have Aadhaar card now. Step 3, pay renewal fee through internet banking or online banking. You can do it. Step number 4, not necessary to submit the NISM passing certificate at the time of renewal. It is not required for the renewation of ARN number. And last step is, once you receive the approval, you will get the ARN license immediately. So these are the 5 steps for online renewal of AMFI registration number. You can follow the below steps for online renewal of AMFI registration number also. Step 1, visit the AMFI portal and log in your credentials. Step 2, the user ID is your ARN number and the password is sent by email by the CAMS. And step 3 is, AMFI fills your personal details by getting it from NISM. Step 4, after you get the certificate, pay the fee online. And step 5 is, your ARN gets renewed instantly. So these 5 steps also you can follow for offline renewal of AMFI registration number. In a nutshell, we can say that, or to sum up, we can say that the Association of Mutual Funds in India, AMFI, exists to preserve the interest of the investor. Why this system have implemented or set up by the AMFI? Because there should not be any agent or any distributor, any mutual fund seller who is unknown to the AMFI. So all the distributor brokers are connected with the AMFI and they have minimum qualification to enter in the or to sell mutual fund or distribute mutual fund. So they have to qualify some examination. They should get the some certification from the NISM, which is the minimum qualification and minimum skill build up programs, and then only the AMFI allots the ARN number, and ARN is valid for only 3 years, and after that AMFI will decide that it will renew or not renew. Suppose any distributor or any seller or any broker agent have some problems, or they have misselling or misleading to the investors, or if broker have some or mutual fund distributor has some problem, then AMFI will not renew such ARN number. So finally, AMFI protect the interest of investor, and only because of this ARN number, only professional and the minimum qualified people will come into this market and can work only after the minimum qualification and certificates gets from the NISM. In case you are facing any issue related to mutual fund trading, or there is a violation of conduct by any intermediary, then AMFI will assist in your problem. So AMFI is the final which look after the mutual fund sector. And if you face any issues related to mutual fund trading, or if you notice that any violation of code of conduct by intermediaries, AMC, or anyone which is involved in the mutual fund sector, the AMFI will assist in your problem, and finally AMFI will find the solution for that. So friends, next slide is the AMFI has a right to withdraw the license of intermediaries under three scenarios. Three things if happens, then AMFI will withdraw the license of intermediaries under these conditions. First is violation of the code of conduct. AMFI have given on their website, and they use it or provide it to all the persons, individual intermediaries who are involved in the mutual fund sector, the code of conduct. And this code of conduct is very important. You can find it on the website of AMFI. These ethics and code of conducts are the ideal rules set up by the AMFI, and these are expected by these all to follow, which are involved, who are involved in the mutual fund sector. If violation of the code of conduct happens, then AMFI have the right to withdraw the license of intermediaries under this condition if they violate the code of conduct. Second is if they commit a serious offense. If some serious offense happens or they commit, then also AMFI can withdraw the license of intermediaries. And last is a complaint of negligence which is upheld by consumer court. If consumer court upheld the complaint of negligence, then also AMFI can withdraw the license of intermediaries. So these are three scenarios under which AMFI can cancel the license of intermediaries. So friends, this much is from my side. Thanks for watching. If you have any problem questions, then write to me, call me, and write your name in the comment box. See you in the next lecture. Thanks.